Good morning, students. In my last topic, we have been discussed about the insurance and the assurance. What were these? That was the life insurance. The kind of the life insurance also have been dictated to you. The endowment life policy, the life insurance, fire insurance, the marine and the health insurance. Today, that we will go for the fire insurance and marine insurance and the health insurance. Now, let me proceed. What is actually the fire insurance? Fire insurance is a contract under which one party, the insurer, in return for a consideration premium, agree to indemnify the other parties, means insured for the financial loss which the latter may suffer due to the damage to the property insured by fire during the period of time. Suppose if the person who has been taken the insurance of their shops, and one day if his shops and her shops fire due to some miscellaneous activities in the short circuit, that the fire insurance company assured and also insured to them that in any kind of the loss they will manage everything, means they will reimburse all the financial positions. The contract, the containing the terms and the condition is known as a policy. General, the fire policy contains the name of the parties, descriptions of the insured property, the sum of which the property is insured, amount of premium payable and the period insured against. The fire insurance provides protection against the loss or damage by firing, lighting and explosions. Fire means actual fire, and ignitions, it should be accidental, not intentional. Fire policy covers loss through fire caused by riot, civil strife, rebellion or foreign enemy. The fire insurance has three types of specified policy, the double insurance and the reinsurance. Under the specified policy, the insurer agrees to make goods the loss or damage by fire to the property insured up to the amount of the specific against that the particular property in the policy. Double insurance, when more than one policy is taken to cover the same risk, then it is known as a double insurance. For example, a person insured his house worth rupees 2 lakhs against fire under two policies, each for 2 lakhs. If the house is destroyed by fire, then he cannot claim the 2 lakh for the both the insurers, because they are doing the illegal, they are making profit. The reinsurance, under this the insurer enters into the another contract of the insurance with another insurer for the whole or part of the risk covered by the insurer. What are the marine insurance? A contract of the marine insurance can be defined as an agreement under which the insurer undertakes to indemnify the insured in the manner and to some extent thereby agreed against marine losses. Marine risks are the perils of the sea, storm, collision, capture, season, sinking of the ship. Marine insurance is a contract between the insured and the insurer. The insured may be cargo owners or a ship's owner or freight receiver. The types of the marine insurance are there: cargo insurance, the ship or the hull insurance, the freight insurance, the health insurance. What are under the health insurance also so many kinds: basic medical expenses, major medical expenses, long-term hospitalization and the medical supplement and the disability in. What are the cargo, what are the ship and what are the freight? Ship or the hull insurance, under this the whole ship is insured. It covers the insurance of the vessel and its equipments, that is furniture, fitting, tools, machinery, fuel, engine, stores. Generally, owner of the ship undertakes hull insurance. The cargo, this form of marine insurance includes the cargo or the goods contained in the ship and the personal belonging of the crew and the passenger. The freight insurance, such insurance provide protections against the loss of freight. In many cases, the owner of the goods pays the freight only when goods. It also provides the health insurance. Health insurance provides for the payment of medical expenses in the case of illness of the insured person and his family. The life insurance, the fire insurance, and the marine insurance. Under the life insurance, the subject matter of the insurance is the human life. For the fire insurance, subject matter in any physical property or assets. Marine insurance, the subject matter is ship, cargo, or freight, etc. Its element of the life insurance, fire insurance, and the marine insurance. For the life insurance, it has the element of protection as well as the investment. Marine insurance, it has elements of the protection only. Under the marine insurance, it has the element of protections only. It also covers for the insurable interest, the duration, indemnity, loss measurements, surrender of value, policy amount, and the risk. Now let me come for the communication services. What are the communication services? The government at national and the international level provide the postal services. All the postal and all the communication services are controlled by the government. The communication department provides the service at the national as well as the international as well as the national levels. The communication services and the post office services also have started speed post services to compete with courier services, and also they provide the email facility. Let me talk about the postal services. What are the postal services actually? Indian Post and the Telegraph Department provide various postal services across the country. For providing these services, the whole country has been divided into 22 postal services. These circles manage the day-to-day functioning of the various head post offices, sub-post offices, and branch post offices. But it has a drawback of the postal services: slow in speed, bureaucratic in nature. Due to the slow speed and the bureaucratic nature, the businessmen rely on the private postal services called the courier service. Actually, the courier service sends the report exactly the same day. But about the telecom services and the postal services, not about the telecom, but we are talking about the postal, actually it takes 2 or 3 days. These courier services mean the courier services provide desk-to-desk service, mean day-to-day service. That is, they pick up the parcel from the office of the sender and deliver at the office of the receiver. These are the very fast and the highly reliable. It has a 2 features: the financial facility and the mail facilities. Actually, under the financial facilities, various saving schemes are offered by the post offices, such as the Public Provident Fund, Kisan Vikas Path, and the National Saving Certificate (NSC), monthly income scheme, saving account, time deposit, and the money order facility. But about the mail facility, mail facility consists of the transmission of the articles from one place to another place with a normal transfer registration facility. They provide security of the transmitted articles and insurance facility that covers all the risks in the course of transmission by the post. The mail service also offered by the post office. Mail services and the financial services provided by the post offices. Mail services provide the UPC, registered post, parcel post, speed post, courier service, and the other services, just like the international money transfer and the e-bill post facility. But about the financial services, they provide the recurring deposits, NSC, the National Savings Certificates, Kisan Vikas Patra, and the Public Provident Fund, and the monthly income scheme. Under the recurring deposits, post offices open recurring deposit account like the bank. In this account, the amount of money deposited regularly every month or every day or every week. But about the NSC, under this scheme, a fixed amount is deposited for a fixed period of time. Kisan Vikas Patra, like the NSC, the money can be deposited for the fixed period of time. And about the PPF, the Public Provident Fund, will also allow the facility of the opening PPF account. In this account, the account holder can deposit money at any time in the financial year. And about the MIS, under this scheme, account a fixed amount is deposited in the post offices, and the interest on that amount is given every month. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we will go for the emerging modes of the business. In this chapter we will study about the scope of business, the B2B and the B2C and the C2C, intra-trade, and so many features are there. That's all for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day.